Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Tangtu.
Tangtu, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Oh, so you're 9 years old. Are you hungry?
No.
No, but do you want a candy? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes.
Do you want a candy?
Yes.
Okay, it's yours. Okay. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Okay, who are there?
My father, my mother, and my baby brother.
And of course, me. Okay. Now, okay. For your speaking test, first part will be you have to find the differences between picture 1 and picture 2. Go ahead. Now, this is picture 1 and this is picture number 2. In picture 1, what do you see?
In picture 1, the octopus is wearing a hat. In picture 2, the octopus isn't wearing a hat.
Okay, that's a good observation. What else? Give me 4 more differences.
In picture 1, the girl is wearing a bag. In picture 2,
The girl is wearing a bag. Okay.
in picture 2, the girl not wearing a bag.
Okay. The girl doesn't have a bag. That's 2. 3 more differences. What can you say about the train?
In picture 1, the train is yellow.
Uh-huh.
But in picture 2, the train is purple.
Okay, very good. That's a nice observation. What else do you
In
see?
picture 1, there are 3 kids are watching the cloud. But in picture 2,
3, okay.
there
There are?
2 kids are watching the cloud.
Okay, there you go. What else do you see? How about the number of airplanes here and the number of airplanes here?
In picture 1, there are 4 airplanes. But in picture 2,
There
there are 5
are
airplanes.
5 airplanes. Okay. What else?
In picture 1, there are no rules. In picture 2, there are one. There. In picture 1, there are 1 rules. In picture 2, there are no rules.
Okay, there you go. Good observation. High five. Very good. Let's proceed to the next part. You did a great job. Okay. Now, in this part, you're gonna describe. I'm gonna ask something about Charlie's magazine, and then you have to answer based on the given information here in the table. And after that, you'll be the one to ask me a question about Emma's magazine, and then I'll be the one to answer it. Are you ready? Okay, first question. Take a look at Charlie. Charlie is reading a magazine. What's the name of Charlie's magazine?
It's our planet.
Our planet. And what is it all about?
It's about animals.
And is it expensive?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. And what day did Charlie get the magazine?
In Tuesday.
On Tuesday. And who buys magazine for Charlie?
His mother buys it for him.
Okay, there you go. Very good. Next part. Take a look at Emma's magazine.
What's the name of the magazine?
Emma is reading New Faces.
What it is about?
It is all about music.
It is expensive.
No, it's not.
What day did Emma
Get.
get the magazine?
Emma got it on Friday.
Who buys it for Emma?
Her father buys magazine for Emma. Okay, you did a great job. Next one. Picture story. We have here picture 1 up to picture number 5. Tell me a story about Sarah and her mother based on the given pictures. Oh no. Okay. Here. Okay, it's here. Go ahead.
Sarah and his mom
And her mommy
are fight a are looking for the key, but they don't find it. Sarah climbed up the window, and her mom helped Sarah to jump over the window.
Okay.
Sarah
Climb
opened
over the window.
the door, and her mom found the key in her pocket.
Yeah,
And
okay.
they laughed together.
They were laughing because, okay, Sarah decided to go or climb over the window to open the door, but as she opened the door, they found out that the key is just in her mother's pocket. Okay, what a funny story. Okay, great job. Now, that's all for your speaking test. Give me 2 high fives. Very good. Okay.